Well, guys, it's about 15 after 4 in the morning, and we're having a extremely active thunderstorm here where I'm at. I just woke up and decided to come watch it for a while. I'm in a place called Ozark, Alabama, which is here adjacent to Fort Rucker, and I'm on a work assignment this week, so that's what I'm out doing here. And you've probably seen the news. This is the 29th. We're going into the 29th of April, and we've had real active weather the last day or so, especially up north of here. This is down near the Florida line. That's a little, that over there across the way over there where those lights are, that's like a antique store where that thing crawling sign is. That's an antique store. And then over there's that's a parking lot, and that's an RV park. You might can see there's at least one little camper over there. You see a lot of that when you get close to the ocean. We're still about 90 miles from the ocean here on the coast of the Gulf. So this is a Hampton Inn we're in. Somebody's motorcycle is parked out here in the parking lot. It's US 231 right here, going north and south. That's looking north. This is a pretty nice Hampton Inn. It's pretty new, but you hear about everything that goes by on the road out here. I hadn't slept very well tonight. So we've had several tornadoes out of this system, so I've kind of kept a wary eye on this. I figured I'd get up and I'd kind of watch, see what was going on here. Looks like it's diminishing now, so I'll head back to the bed here. There's a truck going up 231 here. Alright guys, thanks for watching this middle of the night video. Everybody have a good one. Stay safe.